Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be learning how to do colorful eyebrows. I kind of wanted to do like something crazy like green or blue or purple. I don't know what I want, but I'm going to teach you how I get my colorful eyebrows on. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first I'm going to take this, what is this? Shockwave Neon Lip Liner. Oh, it's in the shade Blaze. And this is from LA Girl. And I'm gonna take this and try and line up my eyebrows. Okay, so now that those points are on, those points should, I guess, help you figure out the correct placement of your eyebrows and where they should be. So that's the method that I use. Now I'm gonna take some concealer, and it should be like, if you do have dark eyebrows like I do, take some lighter concealer. I can't find my like super pale one, but I'll use this one because this is like the lightest I have. So what I'm gonna do now is just take this concealer and pat it all over my eyebrows. This trick will also work for if you're wanting to do like blonde eyebrows but not like bleach them. I'm almost out of this concealer. This is the same method that I used in my Halloween tutorial from last year. I think I want purple brows today. So now what you want to do is pack on a color, and I'm using the Zulu palette from Juvia'S place, and I'm going into this purple shade and just pack on the color. Okay, and it's gonna look kind of messy at first, which is good. You just want to get it all like saturated with color, and then we'll clean it up. So now that it look crazy, what I'm gonna do is take some micellar water and some Q-tips and clean up my brows. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the bottom, and I'm gonna get really close to my mirror just so I can see what I'm doing because I'm kind of blind, and just clean up the bottom of the brow. And then you kind of want to like feather it out a little bit, so kind of take the purple off from the beginning of the brow, so that way it doesn't look too blocky. And I do know it still looks crazy. Give me a minute. So now what I'm going to do is take my Tarte Shape Tape and my foundation, which is from NYX, and mix these two together. Almost done with Shape Tape. Okay, so now I'm going to line my brows. Well, not line them and carve them out. So that way it looks more like my normal shape. I don't like that little corner right here. It's not bad, is it? Okay, yeah, you see the difference now because this is how thick they normally are versus whatever the heck I just did. It's more of like a whole trust the process thing because that looks crazy and this is like more, well, it's still crazy, but it's like a little bit tamer. Okay, and that would be it for the finished video. I do know that this makeup look is kind of intense. I like it a lot. But if you do want to see how I did the eyeshadow and everything, that will be up on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see anything else, and I should have some more videos coming up. I'm just really feeling purple eyebrows today. Kind of want to try green next, or, well, there's lots of colors that I could do. And this is like a cheaper alternative to just buying like brow pomades in different colors. Hopefully you guys will check out my other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!